guess I'll do this until I play. Hey guys, this is a very unusual Friday night live session. I'm oh, this is midnight. I wonder if I feel like, and I need to change the date to the 28th. All right, we're gonna do some playback. I'm probably gonna move it to like 8 a.m. just so it's a little more active. So I'm not trading anything. Like, this is the NASDAQ on the futures market, but I'm not actually trading it. I'm going to do some market replay where it shows me what it did the past few days. So I'm starting with Monday. Hey, Duck Sauce, how are you? So this is similar to what I actually trade in the morning when you guys see me live, but you can do market replay where you replay a day. So you download the historical data and then you can replay it. You can kind of edit your settings, see if you like them or if you don't, and then kind of go from there. All right, so I'm going to play this, and you can speed it up, which is really cool. So this is 8 a.m. on Monday. You can see the date and the time right here. But also, this one I only ran Thursday and Friday this week. I'm going to see if this is too fast, then I'll slow it down. But this is 50 times speed. So you can see the time here and like how fast it will move. This might be okay for this one. This one is the slow. I'm also going to run, especially for Monday and Tuesday, the conservative NQ. Because, oh, I wonder if I have this. No, I think I have this on all hours. Yeah, I do. Okay, that's fine. It's fine, it's fine. I didn't know if I had it just like the market open, which would be later than this. I'm going to put this box like probably up here. I think that's fine.
Order submitted.
Alright, so see how much.
Order canceled.
Oh. What I was going to try to do is get that box out of the way. So, well, on the next trade it will.
Order submitted.
Alright, so, oh, it's already on dollars, so we can just hide that so then we have more chart space and then just play it from there. And then I need to lower the volume because it's really loud. But yeah, this is scalper, so this is slow. I can, oh, you know what I can use? Oh, well, you guys won't be able to see it on that side, but I can move it on this side. So that had a loss. See, when it goes really fast like this, sometimes it's not the best. What time was this? Oh, this was at 9:30. I should probably slow it down a little bit. So I traded this on Thursday and Friday, and it did really well. But I wanted to see how it would have done earlier this week. So at this point, it's red $275. So we'll see. We'll see. But I want to show you guys, and I didn't know if I could do them together since they're on the same account right now, which is the playback account, essentially. All right, so now it's pretty much back to even. And what was this, 957? It's read like $100 at this point. Again, this is on 20 times speed. So it's not that fast. Not much faster than the market. Like, you can do it up to 1,000 times. So thanks for the roses. So this was Monday at 10 a.m. You can see that here in this playback box. And I don't know, maybe I'll run it to like 11:30 and then we'll restart the day and do the NQ conservative. So I do this a lot on the weekends. I don't go live when I typically do it, but I usually do it on the weekends. because the market's closed, so you have more time to just kind of play around with things and test things. Yeah, each contract costs $1,000. So it's back to exactly even at this point. Now it went back to the red for like $60. My hair smells so good. I didn't wash my hair in a few days, and so I had washed it tonight. I put this oil in that smells so good. All right, so it is 10:23 in the morning for Monday. It's now green, $215. So I can pause it at any point like this and then see the stats. So remember, we started it at 8. It didn't really have much going on until the market opened. But green 215 out of 22 trades. So you have to remember that each trade is going to cost you about $4 in fees. So that's why, for me, the motto is the less trades, the better. No. Kevin, get out of here. Oh my gosh, Kevin, I was about to actually answer that question. You're such an asshole. Okay, just kidding, because then TikTok's going to like ban me saying that I'm harassing or being mean or something. We're friends, TikTok. We go way back. Please don't do that. Kevin, make sure you say that we're best friends forever and I was not being mean. All right, so it's in this long. It's 10:37 at this point. So again, I'm on 20x speed. It isn't that fast. It's still green 115, and then whatever happens with this trade. So remember, these are the trailing stops over here on the right. Let me pull you back a little bit. These are the trailing stops over here. Hey. And this is the hard stop that is also on a break-even offset. So it moves up, la-di-da, and we'll see what happens with this trade. So this was Monday at 10. I started it at 8 a.m. We're just doing some market replay, just to see if maybe I could find something. Oh, so now it's green, $425, and it's 10:43 in the morning. So it's $4 round trip to take one contract. But do you mean like the margin of the product? Yes, you can trade shorts or longs. It trades both sides. And both sides cost the same amount. All right, so this is 10:53. I might speed it up a little. I don't want to mess it up. Like sometimes things, obviously if you're going too fast and there's a lot of information to, I don't know what the word is, compute or something, then I don't want it to go haywire and then mess up what we're doing, like the data. So now it's green $560 and it's 11 a.m. So again, we're going to do it till like 11:30 because on Thursday going until 11:30 made $2,900 on one contract. Now it's green $635. Yes, this is the NQ, the NASDAQ on the futures market. And I'm doing market replay for this entire week. So we started on Monday. Now it's green 500. It's 11:08 a.m. on this replay. Exactly. I also love futures. You know what I don't love? Options. You know what else I don't love? Crypto. Not a fan. No, I moved to that. All right, ooh, look at this. All right, let me pause this. Whoa. Let me pause this. Okay, so this is a long that started in this area. So like 11:09. It's 11:16 on this like so far, and it's green $350. Now, this is the trail stop. So this is going to take the trade out if it pulls back through this level. This is the hard stop. And yeah, I did that a while ago. I think it was like $10,000, Kevin. So let's see where this trade ends up, and that's going to be very close to the end of our 11:30 kind of play out. All right, so it took profit there. It's green $770, and this was from, we started it at 8, but typically I would probably start it closer to the open, like 9 or 9:30, and this was on Monday. So $770, 29 trades now. So $120 in fees. So not horrible. So $650 after fees and commissions at this point, which is not bad. Yes, Logan, correct. So I did not write the actual code, but I have a developer on payroll who I told him what I wanted, and then he wrote it for me. But yes, it's all mine. I have several algorithms. This is just one of the ones I'm focusing on today, which is Scalper. So here it's 11:28. I would definitely be done at this point, and it's still green, $695. So, all right, now let's shift over to the conservative NQ. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to go back to, I'm going to go to 9 a.m. because that's what we use on this anyway, on Monday, 9 a.m. Definitely not volume. All right, sometimes it takes a second to load. There we go. All right, so I'm going to bring in this chart because this is the conservative NQ. I'll just put it on top of the other one. And we're going to run this one now. So I'm going to turn off that strategy. I'm going to turn this strategy on. It will be 1, 2. Yeah, I don't know. All right. So it's 9 a.m. again on Monday, the 28th. So we can play this. Because it had some really nice trades on Monday and Tuesday. I didn't get any of them because I don't think I had it on. Monday, I think I forgot to turn it on. And then Tuesday, no, there's no PDT rule in futures. That's another one of the reasons why I love it so much. My phone is on 20%, so I'm not going to be able to do too much tonight. I meant to do this earlier, and I tried to, but NinjaTrader does a technical update or whatever on Friday nights. Okay, we can move this up, this speed, a little faster. And then I'll just keep my mouse on the speed. If I need to lower it, then I will. Almost said he'll send it later. And plus, we get a flash with this, kind of like a heads up, which is nice. Yeah, no PDT on futures. You also get a benefit. Oh, look, this is already green, 755, but I don't have the chart trader on. That's not gonna, hello, that's not gonna help if I don't have it on. All right, I want to rewind this back. So this trade started right at the open. So let's go to 9:20 a.m. Order canceled. All right. I was too busy answering that question. But yeah, there's tax benefits for trading futures versus stocks, like day trading, instead of day trading stocks or options. There's so many benefits to futures. Yes. Remember, Kevin, I keep everything separate. Everything that's done in NinjaTrader is just from the bot. Everything that's done. Yeah, a contract is essentially the same thing as a share, or a lot of people will call it a lot, L-O-T. So it's just my position size. It has nothing to do with an actual options contract, if that makes sense. Nice. So does the cash in the account, does account act like a margin? No, there's no margin account. But yes, but everything is cash as soon as you exit the trade. So as soon as the trade is over, then everything is liquid cash. There's no holding time. There's no delay in getting your money. All right, so look. So it entered this long at 9:30 on Monday. I want to slow this down because this one's going to run, and I didn't get to see this one on Monday, and I was like, what? So right here you can see it's already green, $300. This is the conservative NQ. So we're comparing this to the other one that I just showed you guys. All right, so now it's green, $500, $715 now. But as you can see, where is it? There it is. My stop loss is still down here. It's going to move itself up in a second. But I just want to show you that. So this is the entry, the yellow line. This is my hard stop. This is my trailing stop loss. And it will curve up as a new candle creates and as it keeps moving in the right direction. So now you can see, now my stop loss has moved up. So this is a guaranteed green trade. Hey, Alex, this is a guaranteed green trade. Well, not necessarily green, it's break even because that's where I leave it. I like to give my NQ trades a lot of room to breathe. So yeah. So we'll just keep playing this and see what happens. All right, so do you see how this new candle just formed? And because we ran so high on this first candle, the trail stop was down here before, and now it's shifted where it's so much higher. So if the trade pulls back and it closes under this green line, then it would take me out of the trade. So now it's green $905. Now it's green $1,000. Obviously, it's bouncing around a bit. It's only $934. So it was at $1,000 at like $933. No, you do not. They're always the same price, RN1. This is Ninja Trader. You have to use Ninja Trader if you want to use my auto trading algorithm. But no. Well, yes, obviously, Logan, I don't tell people to trade NQ out the block, but thank you for that. So it's $1,000 per contract. If you're in my group or using my algorithm, you can't even trade a mini unless you have at least $7,000 to $10,000 in your account. And even then, we suggest that you start with micros, which is 1/10 of the size, 1/10 of the cost, and 1/10 of the profit or the loss. So if you had one micro here instead of one mini, you would be green $79 at this point instead of $790. And one micro only costs $100 to take it. So right here, I'm green $1,140 on one contract. You would be green $114 on one micro. But the people that have small accounts in my group, like a $3,000 account, $2,000 account, they're not taking one micro. They're taking like 2 or 3 or 4. So that $114 would be more like $200 or $300 or $400. So, oh, nice. Very cool at TikToking. No, you can start with as little as $2,000 or $3,000, but if you want to trade minis, which is what this is one mini, you would need at least 7,000. All right, so let's keep playing this trade, see what happens. So it's at 1,000. I think the high was like 1,200. Let's see. I just saw 1,170. There we go. I saw 1,295. And then it pulled back. Again, we're doing this on 15 speed. It's 15x. So it's 15 times the normal speed. At any point in time, you could take this stop loss and move it up yourself. Like I said, this green is the trail stop loss. But if you wanted to move up your hard stop and be like, you know what? I'm okay if it pulls back here and I want to take that no matter, what happens after this. You can do that. You have the ability to do that. That's totally up to you. And yeah, so we'll see what happens here. So now it's at $1,300. So the new high up here is $1,300. One contract for NQ, as I mentioned a minute ago, is $1,000. And the price never changes. So, and that just means you have to have at least $1,000 or more in your account to trade that contract. But I don't ever suggest that somebody trades NQ with that little of money, if that makes sense. So I always suggest that you have at least $7,000 to take a full mini contract. All right, so let's get back to this trade and see where it continues. Remember, this was on Monday at 9:40. It started at 9:30. It's now been 12 minutes that it's in this trade, and it's green 1,300. I just saw $45. And $1,450. So this is one contract. People in my group sometimes take 3 or 4 contracts. You could literally be done for the day at 9:44. This trade started at 9:30. Now I saw 1,500 a second ago. If you appreciate the stream and the information, please just tap the screen and send some likes. I really appreciate it. I just saw 1,600. Again, I missed this trade live on Monday because I actually forgot to turn this chart on. I think there was a lot going on last week and I was just like tired or something. But yeah.
Order
All right.
canceled.
So it took profit there. So it took profit. So what we're doing here is we're comparing this, which is the conservative setup on NQ with one contract, to the fast or the slow of NQ, both on the scalper. So look, this took one trade and you made $1,180. Whereas the last setup we just did until 11:30, it took like 30 trades, and it made what, $700. So like they're both good, but I really like the more conservative setup because it's always going to take less trades. Like I think people just always think more trades is better, and that's not the truth. So don't always just think that because you're taking more trades, it's better. And then I don't think it had another trade on this day. So this is 10 a.m. Yeah, I don't think it did. And then it had a trade on Tuesday. So we're going to jump to Tuesday in a second. And I want to make sure I can show you guys on TikTok because my phone is on like 20%. Probably less than 20% now. Yeah, Tuesday I think it had a big trade, and then I think it had a small loss after that. So let's take this 11:28. We're going to go to 11:29, which is Tuesday, and we'll do it again. NQ is not a stock. It's a futures product. It's the NASDAQ on the futures market. Yes, Joe. I kind of mentioned it in the student room, but I don't think anyone really understood that I was saying that. But, all right, so let's turn this on. We're going to go to 9 a.m. on Tuesday. Yep, so I trade futures on the futures market, mainly in, like, the indices. So the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the Russell. I also trade oil and gold. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that's up or down, Mark. Yeah, Joe. But Ninja Trader was doing like a Friday night refresh, so I couldn't get on until now, which is fine. But all right, well, let's play. I need to slow this down so it's not too crazy. Cool, Joey. Very cool. Your bio says stocks. Yeah, I don't straddle the fence. I trade futures and I only trade futures. I'm a Leo, so I feel like because I'm such a loyal person at heart, I can't have my interests in multiple places at once. Like I tried options, they sucked. It was kind of like the markets are kind of like dating for me. Like I'm like, "Oh, I tried options. No, I hated them." I tried crypto. That was terrible. Day trading stocks, it was okay. Yeah, you should probably change your bio. TikToking says I trade everything all day long. all day all day long. All right. We can speed this up a little bit because well, it's coming up to the open, so I might slow it down as we get closer to that. I trade the president, not futures. Let other girls manage. What? What is happening? All right. The market opened here. It's 9:35 on Tuesday the 29th. Does it come back and retest? Like again, I didn't have this running on Tuesday, so I don't really know what happened, but I knew there was a big trade, and so I wanted to see it. Yeah, no, Joey. Now you're just trying to show off because it's actually mine. Literally, we're dating. We're actually engaged. Look at you live tonight. Who are you, MLOS? I'm glad you took my course. I have really done some branching out this past year. Oh God, somebody said face reveal. Kevin, we haven't had that in so long. Yo, when does this get in a trade? We haven't had that in so long. Our bingo could actually be running right now. Kevin, you want to win? Ooh, maybe it gets along here. All right, let me slow this down because it looks like we might get along. Let's see. And then I want to do the slow as well. This was 10:30 on Tuesday. Like, what? Are we sure? Are we sure there was a trade on Tuesday?
Order submitted.
Ooh, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. All right, let's see. Yeah, no, it's not. But there's a bunch of people in here that could tell you that it's not. Ew. I just read that one comment. Disgusting. All right, so this was a short. I wasn't home. Where was I? Was I at like Costco? Oh, I had to go pick up that thing. No, actually not. This is actually not Mark at all. No, Joey. I was saying I'm engaged to the NASDAQ. I'm your fiance. Okay, so, y'all, it took the short here at like 11 a.m. I was not home. Justin was telling me about this. So, okay. So, did you see that happen kind of quickly? I'm on 50x speed. It's 11:04 a.m. on Tuesday. I'll slow it down. You can see my hard stop was moved to break even. I didn't type it, Joey, so you weren't reading. I was speaking. Listen, y'all need to catch up. I know it's Friday night. Maybe you guys have had some drinks. If you're on my stream, you gotta keep up. All right. One contract. Short the NASDAQ at 11 a.m. on Tuesday. So it's on 15x speed. So again, it's going to go a little faster than it normally would. Let's see. So we broke down Monday. That ended at like, what was it? 1200? 1100, 1200. Let's see what happens. Who is that person in the chat that said they only do shorts? I'm actually not flirting with Joey at all. I just know how to be a people person. All right, so now it's green 1,475. I have fat fingers? Wait, what? What? I didn't even know. Actually, I think I could be a hand model. Do I need to turn the lights on? I think I could be a hand model. I got complimented on these nails like 2 or 3 times. Yeah, today and yesterday. All right, let's get back to this trade. This was Tuesday. I do actually push the button. I go live every single day from 9:15 to 10:30. If you don't know about me, you need to look up everything because I'm everywhere. Go watch my YouTube. I record my live streams every single day. Bold bot, 2 words. This is Ninja Trader. I'm doing market replay because it's Friday and I don't have a life and I enjoy doing this stuff. I typically do it by myself, but hey, I went live tonight. So you're welcome. So this was the short at 11,597 on Tuesday. That's okay. $1,740 on one contract. Again, if you have a small account and you trade micros, you would be green a tenth of the size, which is $174. Most of my people in my group with small accounts take 2 or 3 micros, so this would then equate to $500 with 3 micros, and that only costs you $300 to take that trade. So you would be up over 100% in this one trade on your 3 micros. Thanks for the balloons. That's so nice of you. Boom, boo, boo. I don't need to do supply and demand because I have an automated algorithm that trades for me. But thank you. Push button. I don't know why you're coming at me so hard on a Friday night. I just want to do some market replay with some friends. Yeah. No. We don't take target. Well, that's a good question. That's a good question. Let's pause the trade. It's currently green, $1,930. One contract. I've been trading for 20 years. You're probably like 20 years old, so I could probably be your grandmother. All right. I don't mind that people hate. I'm just going to ignore them all. This is Ninja Trader. So, somebody said, how does it take profit? Or where's the target? Okay. This is the hard stop. Scalper, this is actually a quiz I give my members because you can't use scalper unless you know how it works. Okay, I think you are so pushy. Push the reset button. You are so pushy. I think I need to mute you. Because I said I would get there. I'm doing this whole week. Can you just settle down? I don't like demanding people. All right. Somebody asked, how does it take profit? You cannot run it on MT4. I'm sorry. You can only run it on NinjaTrader. This is a trail stop. This little thin red line right here, that's a trail stop. This is a hard stop. You have two options. You could click this manually and move it down. I don't suggest that. Just let the algo do its thing. Or the trail stop will exit you when it pulls up and crosses over the trail line. So, and we will be able to see that happen here shortly. Yeah, pass that quiz, boy. All right, $2,500 in the green on this one contract. Again, this was Tuesday at 11 a.m. The trade started. It's now 11:19. Again, we're doing market replay, playback in NinjaTrader. I was out yelling at someone this day because they lost something that I had to go pick up, and I was really annoyed. And then I went and had lunch. So I missed all of this. I was like totally across town. So you can see this trail starting to flatten out here. If the trade continues moving down, the trail will follow it. But if it doesn't, it will just stay flat. I don't know what the question was. Yeah, it's me. What's you? What? I'm so confused. There is no... Just because you're older, that doesn't mean you can't learn to trade. All right, one trade on Tuesday, $1,940. And again, I'm not even teaching you. Like, this is just fully automated. You don't have to learn to use this. You just use it. You just turn it on and go about your day. Yep, so good question, Brandon. It's 88% on the entire year of 2022 with my most conservative setup, which is bold range on NQ, and we also run that on ES and oil as well. This is the scalper, so this is a different algorithm. This is NinjaTrader. If you want to email me for more information, I don't know what that means. What? Cheddar? What? Like cheese? You can email me at boltwatch@gmail.com. Dale hasn't had any drinks yet. Well, Dale, I suggest that you pour yourself some bourbon. Do you like bourbon? Is you taker profit in the first bar green? No, Jadel. I don't take profit at the first green bar. I don't trade options. I'm so... Kevin, I need 3 drinks. All right, so this was Tuesday. Can you run playback the range for the same time frame and day? No, Dale, I'm not going to do that because that's boring. It literally has 2 little baby targets. That is so boring. But what we can do is run the slow. Do you guys want to run the slow real quick? All right, so this was $1,940. Did I pull that up? Yeah, with one trade. So that was Tuesday. Monday was what, $1,200? So 2 days, $3,000, two trades, 1 contract each. I don't know what this libations is. Benny, is that a drink? You said that in the group before, and I was like, I didn't know how to respond because I didn't know what a libation was. It sounds kind of sexual. I'm not really sure what was going on. Also, I'm also live on YouTube right now. When my phone dies in a few minutes on TikTok, we don't English in this chat. No, absolutely not. I can't even see what my battery's at. I can't. But when my phone just kaputs on all of you, feel free to head over to my YouTube because I'm live on YouTube via OBS and that will still be up and running. BoldBot, 2 words. Yes, I did everything is done through me, via myself. I've been trading in my algorithm for 2.5 years. All right, we need to pull this back to 8 a.m. Or no, you know what? Let's just do 9 a.m. because 8 a.m. is just too early. Yeah, I definitely cannot read
Order
that.
submitted.
Are you like cussing me out in some other language? 200 something something. Something I cannot read. All right, we're going to the slow chart. Where are the candles? Oh, there they are. We're at 9 a.m. back on Tuesday. I hope so. Benny, you don't know if what you're saying is alcohol or not? So for the year of 2022 on NQ range, it's around 50,000. And that's with 2 minis. We just started running the scalper again. Like, are you still in New Jersey? I'm so glad you actually don't know where I am, because you are saying something on a public forum like that would be okay. I am not from New Jersey. I've never lived in New Jersey. So please stop acting like you actually know me, because you don't. He's cussing me out in another language. Yeah, he probably is. Oh, good job, Joey. Look at Joey. Are you saying homies? All right, let's speed this one up. It's 9:21. This is on Tuesday. Remember, we already did Monday for this, and it made like $700 on one contract. So you can email me if you want more info, Craig. I'm kind of just having fun tonight. I go live every single day from 9:15 to 10:30. We're going to need to slow this down because the market's about to open. And that's where I answer the same repetitive questions every moment of every live stream that I do. But you can always email me. I answer emails very quickly. I know how to multitask. That's what I'm saying. Why hasn't it taken any trades? There has to be something wrong with this. No big deal. I can answer as much as I can, but I'm also trying to set this up. Like, in real life, I don't have to fast forward and slow down and figure out why this isn't working. I feel like I'm going to have to reset the whole strategy. I'm going to have to do that, aren't I? Aren't I? All right. Hold on. Let me reset up this whole strategy real quick. Just real quick. Apply. Okay. All right. See, that was fast, right? I'm going to have to put this back to 9 a.m. See? Now the trades show up. Go to 9 a.m. Sometimes we need a little reset.
Order submitted.
No, Dale, you cannot change the times. Please, stop doing that. I think you're the person that did that and then Irma called you out. No, you cannot. You cannot just put whatever you want. There's a whole reason why I give you settings. Because they've been back tested for 2.5 years. They've been forward tested for 2 years. Like, come on. Don't do that. You're just going to lose money. No one likes losing money. You can do stuff in simulation if you want. Dale, if you're like, oh, I think this might be good, put it on a different chart and put it in simulation. Don't do it live. You're just going to burn yourself. And definitely don't do it on some crazy candles like Renko and then you're like, oh, but the strategy analyzer said it would be good. Like, no, it lied to you. All right. Okay. Oh, yeah. Please do not incorrectly put times or change the time. Not something that can be done. Like, you can do it, but you're just going to lose. It's not a good idea. Not a good idea at all. All right. Is the slow actually going to work? Or is it just going to give me a hard time? I thought I saw it flashing before, so I thought it was actually going to... No, I don't know. I think because it had that error, and then I turned it on again. All right, this is annoying. It's 11 p.m. already. You have to get a VPS if you want to run it on a Mac. Yeah, Coop, typically it will be fine. I already did delete it and re-add it, but sometimes the scalper likes to be a little extra. So I think that's just what it is. We can run... Did it catch the trade for the CPI? Oh no, I think it was after CPI. It caught the long, right? Let's do today. A lot of you have been saying, can I see the NASDAQ today? Okay, let's do today for all of you people whining in the back. Oh shoot, I don't think I downloaded today. Oh, I didn't download today. All right, well, hold on. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. We'll download it real quick, then we can do today. My forehead is very dry. Yeah, it's a VPS is a virtual private server. That's what it stands for. All right, historical data, market replay, and the NASDAQ for today, which is the 2nd. Download. Download, download. And then we'll run this. Was it the Dow that had like a $1,600 run today? Or yes. Maybe it was yes. I don't know. Okay, I downloaded it. So now I'm going to disconnect. And I'm going to go back to playback. Oh, I'm so proud of you, Joey. Now people can actually find you. I know they're going to be searching. Oh, Wolf, thank you. Somebody in my group is helping me with this task and responding. I did not add anything into my tea. I actually need to make a tea. Okay. Why naughty? I don't trade options at all. No. That's a big no. Options are gross. You know what we should do? We should put it on 8:15 and see if it would have taken the CPI drop. Should we do that just for fun? Oopsies. Oops. 8:15. 8:15. Okay, cool. All right. We are on today now, guys. December 2nd, 8:15 a.m., 2022. Let's push play. Oh gosh, we're on 1x. Let's speed this up a little bit. But we have to be careful because that 8:30 report was crazy. No, I don't trade either of those. I trade NQ, ES, RTY, YM, CL, GC. Sometimes SI, sometimes NG, sometimes HG. That's it. It was in the middle of the day. Well, I want to see if it would have caught this. I know, sarcasm. It's probably my strongest. Ooh, okay. What time is it? It's 8:24. Y'all, it got in the short before the CPI report came out. This is why my algo is better than anything else in the entire world. It actually caught this on RTY. RTY made $1,100 on the 8:30 report. So remember, when this goes green, $750. When this goes green, $750. That's my break-even offset. So then my stop loss will come from the red, and it is 8:26 at this point. So it got in 5 minutes before the drop. This is Ninja Trader. Everything is on Ninja Trader. If you want more info, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's also in my bio. All right. I want to get to this drop. It's 8:27 a.m. This was today. Hopefully it doesn't swipe out before it drops. 8:28, 8:29 seconds before the drop. Let's slow this down because we want to see this for real. 8:29 and 40 seconds. Oh, it's about to happen. I'm so good. All right, it's 8:30. You ready? Are you guys ready for this? Oh my gosh. This is just amazing. This is just amazing. Okay, bye. Joey, you're going to miss the CPI drop from today. What are you doing? It's $2,200. It is 8:30 and 7 seconds. Y'all, this caught the drop before the report even came out. That's how fire my shit is. Now it's $3,500. Are you seriously not watching this, Joey? $3,800. $3,900. $3,900. Do you see this red line? That means it's a strong support or resistance. No idea what you're saying. Yeah, the VPS that I suggest is in the email that I send you. This is $4,000 on one contract. 5 minutes. It was a 5-minute trade. What was pretty? I don't even know what you're talking about. Why naughty? I think you're speaking another language. The point is, you can't do this. And no one can do this manually. If you would have tried to catch this manually, you would have gotten in at like, you would have tried to get in at 12,000 and you would have had slippage until like 11,980. $4,200, $4,700 on one contract. One contract, y'all. If you took one micro, you would be up $475. This is not pre-market, dude. These are the futures. The futures is open 23 hours a day. 23 hours a day. Futures market is open. Okay, well, it's not over yet. So your $400 would have been, with one micro, $500. Let's see if it goes more. It's kind of hanging out. Yeah, this is not, listen, this is not a gamble, I am Stefano. Even if it went the other way. Again, we don't even trade this early, so it's not even a thing. The thing was, this is fun to look at. Okay, Junior. The cost of the contract is $1,000. That's how much it costs to take one contract of the NQ on the futures market. I think people are just mad that they wouldn't have made $5,000 this morning, but if you turned on my algorithm, it would have made you $5,000 in 7 minutes on one trade. Now it's $5,200. Just saying, you don't have to be mad. You can come use it. I have 183 people that get to enjoy this every single day. Benny, let's do it. 5,500. So you could just email me, boldbotllc, and you can get options. So one contract of a micro costs you $100. And it's a tenth of the profit. It's a tenth of the size, a tenth of the profit, a tenth of the loss. So this $550 would be $555. So we're 88% on the entire year of 2022. We've been trading my algorithms since 2020. Yes, I'm rich. Why Naughty loves to hang out, but just wants to be rude. See, Scrap knows, because he actually joins in the morning when I go live every day from 9:15 to 10:30. You guys are just seeing me now for the first time because I never go live at night. $6,000. Yep. It's all over all my social medias, Tom. Go check. Go look at my Twitter. I post it with my account number. Go look at my Instagram. I post it. So yeah. This is a trade from this morning. We didn't actually have this trade because we don't have the algorithm on this early. But the point is, it's fun to see. The RTY did catch this short for $1,100. This is the trail. The trail is this thin red line here. This is Ninja Trader. It's $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. The win-loss ratio, it's 88% on the entire year for winning, which means the loss is 12%, if we know how to math. And Algo is a robot. It just trades for me. So it gets me in the trade, it follows the trade down, and it gets me out of the trade. It does not pick the futures for you, but that is done in my group because I give you a settings spreadsheet that tells you, hey, these are the settings for oil. If you want to run the NASDAQ, these are the settings. If you want to run whatever. If you want to run gold, these are the settings. If you want to run the Dow, these are the settings. Wolf knows. Okay, so there's no stock. So let's stop saying the word stock or crypto or whatever. It's just a futures contract. If you guys want to know more about futures, no, I don't do Bitcoin. You can go to my YouTube, which is BoldBot, and you can watch my popular video. They have it. You can click on like popular or favorites, and it's there. It's a 30-minute video about futures. It says, what are futures? So again, this is going to exit the trade for me. I don't have to do anything. I have it on a slower speed now. But it will exit the trade for me. There it goes. It exited the trade for $4,865 for one contract. Right here. Oops. Right here. One trade. So Monday was, I have a really bad memory. Monday was 1,200. Tuesday was, what was Tuesday? 2,000? 2,000? I don't even remember. Anyway, this is Friday. Kevin, tell them all. Yes, that's exactly what we do. AAB did. Yeah, you can use this on currencies. Absolutely. We did it at the beginning of the first time we started running the algorithm back in 2020. We did that. But I don't have a passion for currencies, and I don't know enough about them to be like, oh, it typically moves at this time of the day, or it typically moves this much when it moves. But I know that about futures, so that's why I kind of didn't do much with currencies after that point. Thanks, Junior. But yeah, all right. I think that was fun. I think my phone's really going to die soon. If you follow me, again, I go live every day, Monday through Friday, showing you this in real time on my real account. Yep, if you go to my Twitter, Jadelle, it is there. So feel free to go to my Twitter and check it out. Justin is on the live. 1,200. Yeah, we ran Monday and Tuesday. 1,200 on Monday, 1,900 on Tuesday. It's a tech stock. What? I don't trade stocks, Alex. So it's $500. Thank you, Lauren. Sure thing. My main focus is always the NASDAQ. No, it looks like super trend, but it's not. And again, even if it was, it doesn't matter because it fully trades for you. Super trend's just an indicator. This is an automated algorithm. It is a robot that does everything for you. You turn it on at night. These are futures, not forex. You turn it on at night, and then you go to bed and you wake up and it trades for you. You go to work, you go to the gym, you go to breakfast, whatever you do, it trades for you. Yes. Irmond, as I just said, that's on my Twitter, so you can go to my Twitter and check it out. It's pinned there, Boldebot _. All right, Dale, it was real. I don't know what the word badge means. How much badge you need to start? What? No, my algorithm does not do options. I'm sorry. The minimum to start is $3,000 in your trading account. Like, this was perfect. But let's speed this up because I think it actually ended up taking a long too. Justin, didn't it take a long today? I kind of forgot about that. I think it took a long after the market opened. This is 8:46. 9 a.m. Let's speed it up. 9:03, 9:06, 9:10. I forgot about that for a second. So I didn't even think about the short until... All right. I didn't even think about the short until we started loading Friday, and I was like, oh, wait, the CPI data. But it actually took this long. So this was the one that would have been actually on today. The other one, we don't trade that early, so. So we'll see this play out, and then I'll be done. Correct, but these are not options. Yeah, so it depends on the strategy user. This one is $750. Oh, so you can see that. But didn't it? Let's see if it takes another one. It does. But on some of the other strategies, it's as little as $200 for one mini. But it's anywhere from $200 to $1,000. Let me get this out of the way. I don't know why this is there. I probably do know why, but... No, again, so Voiv. Stop saying forex. These are futures. I'm trading futures. Yeah, if anybody emailed me, I'll be replying after I get off this stream. So you can see the break even moved up, guaranteed green on this second trade. Oh, yeah, because you know what? Roxanne said the same thing. She had the loss on the first trade and then she got the win on the second. So this was 10:17 this morning. I forgot about that. She did say that. Because you're just speaking in like random tongues and it's annoying.
Order canceled.
So I guess she got it when it went up to 1200 because then it pulled back. So it made the money back that it lost on that initial trade. Correct, Josh. It's called the ability to do what I want. All right, so I'm going to wrap it up here. It's 11:15. I'm going to go to bed or something. But if you want more information, just email me. My email is in the bio. It's also right here, boldbotllc@gmail.com. So I'll go respond to anyone that had emailed me. And then if you want to do your due diligence, if you want to research me more, I always tell people they should do that. Go look on my Twitter. Go look on my Instagram. Go see how long I've been around. Go to my website. Go watch all of my YouTube videos. Like, I implore you to do your research before making a decision on me or my business. So, please go do your digging. And I do an affiliate program, but I don't have a link. Like, if you are in my group and you bring people, then you get like, I go over it with you. So if you want to know what my like affiliate program is, you can email me and I'll tell you what it is. But yeah. But no, if you're signing up for like Ninja Trader, I don't get any benefits with Ninja Trader. So if you do the lifetime license, I can get you a $100 refund. I know it's not a lot, but it's something. So yeah, exactly. Junior, it's okay. I'm used to it. All right. Well, I'll be back on Monday morning at 9:15 Eastern Standard Time. Every day, Monday through Friday, 9:15 to 10:30. So, I hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for the follows. Thanks for the likes. I appreciate it. And, yeah. Have a good night. Bye. Bye, YouTube. Thanks for joining, everyone. I appreciate it. All right, let me close this. Bye.